10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients in all problems at all levels. And again, today's topic, Solved Online legislation updates for business solutions, COVID-19 vaccination and news. Also, like I say, Solved Online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions system through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to start a online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto Solved Online knows that there's no business like the king's business. Again, we provide solutions, documents, proof, demonstration, direction, instruction, accuracy, and correction. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers to start an online webinar, seminar, tutorial to teach everyone how to research like a lawyer, barrister, solicitor to gain the best in your life business, which is parliamentary business. And saying that, we're going to go over to, again, legislation.gov.uk, where you get all the parliamentary updates. So we're going to see what's going on within the parliamentary world, which is the world that we're living in. Like I say, this is legislation.gov.uk. And just let me, before I continue, just gonna do another share. So, okay, got a message also. We're gonna check the message and then get back to the show. Again, we have Monica Taylor always coming through, showing support. Yeah, again, Grand Friday, Solved Online, back for more knowledge. Appreciate the message. Yeah, now we're gonna continue, and like I say, this is legislation.gov.uk, and we have to go to legislation published recently. We're gonna click because we have a UK Public General Act, so it's an act, and the act is the Fisheries Act 2020. That's got to deal with maritime management organization. So anyone in maritime management and organization, you check that out. And the UK statutory instruments, there are 6. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, so the first one is the Police Act 1997, Criminal Record Certificates, Relevant Matters, Amendment, England and Wales Order 2020. The next one is the Health Protection Coronavirus International Travel, England Amendment number 27, Regulations 2020. The next one is the Persistent Organic Pollutants Act, EU Exit Regulations 2020. And you have the next one, the Immigration, Leave to Entry and Remain Amendment, EU Exit Order 2020. And we have the next one, we have the reciprocal and cross barriers healthcare, cross-border healthcare amendment, etc. EU Exit Regulation 2020. So that's the reciprocal and cross-border healthcare amendment, etc. EU Exit Regulation 2020. The last one is the Consumer Protection enforcement, amendment, EU, etc. EU exit regulations 2020. And again, so anything got to deal with you, just check them out. Like I said, always remember to, or remind you to, that there is a solution for the vaccination, and it's this document. And I was supposed to get into the document even more, so I'm gonna, because I realized there's a lot of context to the document, so I have to go over it on the weekend and then lay it out on Monday, so I could have a clear amount of time to go through the revise. So as you can see, like I say, this document deal with persons' rights. So again, if it breach certain rules and powers that are set out in the document as you're shown, and for the purpose of any special restriction and requirement that may significantly affect the person's rights. So as certain things are affecting our day-to-day living, and that's all right. So like I say, these things are clearly shown as evidence. All right, so you're gonna continue now because really just going through